Bakecoin is back. Congratulations to those who bought because this project has just done 4x plus in just about 24 hours. Which means if you had gotten $1,000 worth of Bakecoin yesterday, you would have over $4,000 in profit. This is making investors regret not taking action to buy the dip, and right now, they want to know the reason for its surge. In this video, we'll be discussing the reason for huge surge. But before that, I would like to plead to y'all to help this channel growth by subscribing and liking this video. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. The live price data shows a massive surge, but the news and analysis tools might explain the reasons. Looking at the news, there's a major announcement from Binance about delisting Bake on September 17, 2025. Wait, delisting usually causes prices to drop, not rise. But the delisting news was on September 3rd, and the current date in the context is September 10th. So the price surge is happening a week after the delisting announcement. That seems counterintuitive. Maybe there's a short squeeze or a pump and dump scenario. The volume data shows a 24 hours volume increase of 3,000%, which is massive. Such high volume often accompanies significant price movements, either due to a news event or large trades. However, the delisting news from Binance and Onus would typically reduce liquidity, but maybe the market is reacting to the final days before delisting, with traders trying to capitalize on the volatility. Also, there's a mention of a general market analysis about money market funds potentially flowing into crypto. If investors are moving funds into altcoins, Bake might be getting some spillover effect. But the overall crypto market metrics show a slight dip in the total market cap, so it's more likely a Bake-specific event. With the delisting date approaching, traders might be covering shorts or speculating on a dead cat bounce. The low liquidity and high volatility could exacerbate the price swing. The technical indicators like RSI rebounding from extreme lows and breaking past Fibonacci levels could be contributing to the surge, alongside possible coordinated trading or pump groups mentioned in community posts. I think this is the reason for its pump in my opinion. What do you think? If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. The Bakerytoken on April 1st was seeing a convention as it was up by more than 45% and was producing critical volumes of the north of 600%. Bake has been rounding up great numbers up the previous week, enlisting huge additions. Truth be told, as per Altrank, the Bake crypto was among the top 10 gainers on March 28th. The Bakerytoken has been on a bull run of late, storing up gains upwards of 120% in the beyond 30 days. Indeed, even the one-year presentation has been good with gains of 21%. Sent off in September 2020, one of the one-of-a-kind highlights of the Bake crypto is that it eliminates the middle people while trading and on second thought utilizes an AMM model. The clients can trade their tokens utilizing smart contracts. Plus, the liquidity pools end up being a fundamental piece of the environment, which permits the members to trade and trade tokens flawlessly. Created by the BakerySwap ecosystem, the Bakerytoken, Bake, crypto is essentially a decentralized automated market maker, AMM, convention that is based on top of the Binance Smart Chain, BSC blockchain. The Bake additionally goes about as the first organized NFT commercial center. One of those novel conventions consolidates decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, into a simple-to-utilize stage. Because of this uniqueness, the Bake crypto can offer an assortment of DeFi administrations, which guarantees liquidity to the convention. Simultaneously, the clients can likewise acquire attractive prizes by marking and printing the tokens. The Bake crypto's huge additions throughout the course of recent weeks have been great, but at the same time, it's essential to take note that cryptographic money is an unpredictable market, and the costs can change at some random moment. In this manner, one should generally be careful in the space and ensure that they do their statistical surveying appropriately prior to entering the market.
Rồi, chị cất tờ hồ sơ để vào chỗ cũ đi. Bánh máy nhá.